Hello guys, Game Changers back again with a hacked and paid apps method, brand new out, and it got tons, maybe thousands of apps for you guys to get. So guys, like I said, this app pretty much got thousands of apps on it, games and apps that is, hacked and paid, 100% free. So what you want to do is just simply go to this website that I am on right now. Link will be down in the description if you want that. There will be a Royal Earl so I can make some income, as I explained in previous videos. So I hope you support me by using it. If not, just type in the link that is in the search bar above on this actual clip, and I'm just going to scroll through all the videos, install some apps and show you how it all works. If you got App Valley or Top Store already installed from my previous videos, then you will not need to trust any of these apps. But if you don't and you do need to trust them, you want to go into your settings, general, scroll down to profile and device management, click on the bottom profiles and then trust, and then it'll ask you to put your password in and whatnot. Just do that until it's trusted, and then you'll be able to go on the apps and use them. That's only if they don't open up off the start after you install them. So I'm going to stop talking here. I'm just going to let some music play and let you see what's on here, and I'll catch you in the next ones. Hope you enjoy. Peace.
So you can sound loud and sound so motherfucking goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these little and good grades where I fell behind. Picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really want to get this high? Do I really want to write these rhymes? Do I really want to be a fucking sellout? Do I really want to take that route? Hell no, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check, swagging out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now, right now, right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now, right now, right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with a sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.
Right now, right now, right now, yo. Right now, right now, right now, yo. Yeah. Right now. Yeah. Right now. All right, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit, and yeah.